That's green
Changes
now.
colors and you move it.
It's blue or green? Is it blue or is it green? That's cool. You touch it and it changes colors.
No, it's in the light within a certain angle.
Is it from the light or is it
It's
from
from
touching?
the light, but it turns like blue and green.
I think it's from the light when you move it.
Okay. Oh, it's like those
Plastic thingy.
hologram things.
But those ones are blue, and then those ones are green.
Let's see. Look at me.
No, Daddy can't see.
No, that's fine. That's I just want her to demonstrate it. Just flip it. That's green.
Jack, the strap's not going to help. You'll go have it.
Ooh, yikes! It got worse. Yeah. Thanks.
This one over here, he says you pulled.
I saw
When I grabbed it, I went to bed.
Mommy, did you walk around?
Just walk this.
Friends, we ready? So I need to return the reception. Start. Okay? Okay. Thank you for showing us.